tell me. I don't know.
DJ
I don't
Pain
feel
One.
these niggas.
We are strong. No one can tell us we're wrong. Heartache to heartache, we stand. We are strong.
Yeah, I'm that young nigga with the sick flow. They watchin' how I move cause they know I get dope. Posted on the block stunning with my kinfolks. Nigga, you ain't talking money, what the fuck you here for? When I'm finna cop a crib somewhere by the rich folks. Same old young nigga used to kick doors. The whole world love me cause they know my shit cold. And now I switch hoes every time I switch clothes. Pockets got knots in them, keep a couple Glocks in them. Long gas clip, know it got a lot of shots in them. Keep a bad top with them, killers from the block with them. Pussy ass rap niggas always got the cops with them. Why I can't fuck with them, never put my trust in them. How they gon' react when a nigga get the bust? Couple shots fired, watch them niggas get the run. Niggas sneak distance, so I just say fuck.
Really said fuck 'em, this is not a rap song. Boost mobile curb, this is not a track phone. Contract free, what a nigga trap on. Inner tube cocaine with the mustard on the cover. Pray the Lord keep me safe from who I fuck without a rubber. Pray it make me cold hearted. I don't ever wanna love again. Sacrificing ran the money up and bought another Benz. Brother got murdered, I never have another friend. Now I'm blowing loud when I lounge. Got emotional at times, but the drugs help a motherfucker tuck 'em in. Diamonds in my teeth to help me represent the struggle. People in position recognize a nigga muscle. When you come up in the slums, having nothing make you humble. Stomach rumble, learn to kill without a question in the jungle.